Shut up. Shut up. Shh. You doggy. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Come on, shush. Shut up. Shut up. Jesus Christ. It's my dog.
Well, he's not kicking it.
What?
He's not kicking it.
Why?
Making a sound, you're just putting the thing.
It's my dog.
Doesn't mean you can just kick it.
Why? It's,
It's respect. Just sitting there watching for 5 minutes, smack the thing if it's barking.
it won't shut up.
You shut up and stop kicking it.
It's my dog. It's
Matter
my,
who
yeah.
dog it is.
I agree. I must
It's my
say,
property
I
though.
agree.
But I can do what I yeah, but I can do what I want with it. Why not?
Because it's an
It's an
animal.
animal.
And it belongs to me.
So it doesn't fucking matter. Do you want me to smack you?
Do I want you to smack me?
He
What?
doesn't want
This
you
is
to have a voice.
this has got nothing to do with you.
Yes, it does.
Why?
Yes, it does.
Why?
It's not your animal.
And no,
can't
hold
just
on.
smack
It
the
is
thing.
my animal.
Yeah, I'll smack you. I swear to that.
It's
Kicking the thing because it's making a noise.
it's mine though.
It doesn't matter if it's yours. You
How
can't
does it? How does it not? It belongs to me.
If you have a kid, you can just
That's
hit the kid.
that's different. It's an animal.
Is it a dog?
Yeah, it's a puppy and it won't shut up. It's my dog though. It's mine. It's nothing to do with you.
What are you talking about? It's his dog. So it's his dog, so he can kick it.
Yeah,
If you were to
but
see a child being beaten up, would you be?
How long have you been here?
Oh.
I've been trying to pretend that's okay. Okay, she's been nothing to do with you.
what's it got to do with you though?
I will say that's what it's not.
Here, man, bro, come here. It's a social experiment. We got you, but yeah, I'll just show you. We got a little toy dog. So I was wondering if you'd be happy to answer some questions because, are you sure, man? I would really, really appreciate it because no one else stepped in. Thank you, man. So do you mind, my buddy's filming, do you mind if you just answer some questions? Do you mind if you just answer some questions? Is that okay? This is sort of, yeah, this is sort of the most important part of it. So my name's Thomas, this is Cliff and that's Sean, and they're all in on it.
I was like, why?
He was being the devil's advocate. So basically what we're trying to do is to get people to connect the dots, right? You have a little puppy in a box, and I'm kicking the puppy, and I know you didn't hear, but people could hear, he could hear that the puppy was crying, and people see that, and like good people like you say something, speak up and be like, you know what, I agree, that's actually wrong. So what would you say you did that for? I know it's like a simple question, but
Like what?
Like-
Intervene?
yeah, why were you vocal? Why were you saying that it's wrong?
Because it just is, like, as the guy said, you wouldn't hit a child. Like,
Yeah.
you obviously chose to have a child. Like, you wouldn't hit a child. Like, why would you choose to have an animal to abuse it?
Yeah.
Like, I just don't understand it. It's so innocent. Like,
Yeah.
it can't defend itself. So
Completely agree.
why,
with you.
like,
Completely agree.
why
with you.
would you be so horrible to such a wee pet? Like, I have a dog myself.
Same.
And it's my pride and
Yeah.
joy. So I just couldn't believe that, like whenever I hear that animals are beaten and stuff or taken to a shelter and stuff like that,
Awful horror
I do
stories
find it
about how they're treated.
really horrible. Yeah.
Same here. So I'm gonna spin it on you, okay?
Oh no.
No, not the box, just the topic. So you were saying, they're innocent, they can't defend themselves, they can't run away,
Yeah.
they haven't done anything wrong,
Yeah.
and they're being abused. It's obviously not okay.
Yeah.
So my question to you is, we're actually vegan activists, and we're trying to get people to see. No, it's okay. We're trying to get people to see if you think that it's wrong to kick a puppy. How do you feel about a dog being shot in the head, hung upside down, sliced across the throat, chopped into pieces, digested in your stomach, and then shit down the toilet?
Oh, stop.
Where does the cruelty? What's your stance on that?
I'm not vegan.
That's okay. That's okay.
I am.
You say now you are?
Yeah. No, well, yeah. I don't even know what to say. Yeah.
It's interesting though because I'm drawing parallels. We see every single animal that ends up in a slaughterhouse. They're just as innocent. They can't defend themselves. They haven't done anything wrong. They don't know what's going on. They can't run away.
Yeah.
And it's no different. The only difference is our perception. We perceive dogs to be like a best friend, a family member. We give them names and personhood.
Yeah.
But the animals that we eat, they don't have names. They don't have much rights, really.
Yeah.
They're brutalized violently in a slaughterhouse. And it's just if we can be happy and healthy without eating animal products, what's our defense in response? Do you think that there is an honest defense?
I honestly, I don't know. I don't even really know what to say. I feel like I am such a hypocrite because I'm not vegan, and then obviously I'm standing up for what I thought was a poor animal being beaten, but obviously that's what is going on, and that's what happens to the animals that we are eating. And yeah, I get that.
That was it for me as well. I felt hypocrisy because I grew up with a Labrador and loved animals, had goldfish and all the rest of it, and then I realized that I was eating animals. These animals that have feelings.
Yeah.
Like pigs, for example, they're the 5th most intelligent animal in the world, smarter than dogs, and we put them in sandwiches and chop them up. And really, it is just trying to get you're just one person, but who knows who could watch this video and inspire people to think about it, and they'll maybe connect the dots as well. So, what do you think you could do about it then?
We'll definitely cut back on animal products, and again, stand up for what isn't right and what the things that are wrong is being done, animal abuse and things like that.
For sure.
Just small steps like that. I suppose, because I've never really thought about it, and yeah.
Do you think if someone said, some people breed dogs for dog fighting, right? Do you think if someone said, I'm gonna cut back on dog fighting, do you think that would be morally acceptable, or do you think that they should just stop it altogether?
Yeah, stop it.
Do you see what I'm saying? Yeah. If it's morally wrong, it has
Yeah.
to be all the way. But the way I see animals now and what happens in slaughterhouses is an injustice. You might not know this, but more animals are killed in 1 week in a slaughterhouse than more than all humans that have ever existed.
Really?
Yeah, it's really crazy. So I mean, you obviously care a lot about animals, and you probably call yourself an animal lover. I just leave you with do you think that you can love animals and eat them at the same time? And if you can't wrestle that sort of feeling of hypocrisy, it's two morally contradictory beliefs. I love animals, I pay for them to be chopped into pieces and eat their dead flesh. So thank you for taking the time to speak up.
No problem.
We have a little information card. Would encourage you to look into it. You may feel like a light bulb moment has went off and I've never thought about that before.
Yeah.
There's some resources there that will really solidify your conviction. If you really tune into that feeling where you're that is actually really messed up, and it actually isn't a representation of who I am as a person. Slaughterhouse footage, if you watch it, Dominion is it's brutal. It's really brutal, but it's worldwide legal standard practice. Pigs, chickens, fish, sheep, even camels and horses and everything, they're slaughtered. Yeah, it's all bad, but if you can look at that and you can still do it, that's on you. But I don't think that that's you. The one I watched was The Best Speech You'll Ever Hear. It's the first one. It's free on YouTube. and just watch it with an open mind. If it resonates, like, I don't know how you feel about the whole vegan thing, but honestly, it's so easy these days.
Yeah, I think that is the thing. Like, there are a lot of closed-minded people, and it does take like more of an open-minded person to
100%,
say, to like
100%.
realize, oh, I didn't realize I was wrong, and I don't realize what I'm doing.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
that they
yeah.
do. Like,
Animals can't be their own activists. They can't be
Yeah.
out here like I am and,
Yeah.
and speak up for themselves. So
Yeah.
all we can do is come up with ways to be their voice and to advocate for them.
yeah.
Yeah, you seem like a pretty open-minded person, so check it out. And
I will, yeah.
my hope is that you go vegan in the
Yeah.
face of this. But
Yeah.
what's your name?
Sarah.
Thomas. Thank you so much for
Yeah,
working
thank you so
working
much,
with me, and
honestly, thank
I'm
you.
sure you're relieved now to know that there's no animal being abused.
No, don't worry. Yeah,
Cheers.
thank you so much.
We'll get out of your way
No,
anyway.
don't worry.
Have a nice day. How's it going, man? I kind of froze for a second when you were like, "Do you want me to punch you in the face?" So yeah, we were just asking her, like, did you hear much of the conversation? No. So we were just basically saying, like, trying to get people to connect the dots, right? Everyone loves cats, dogs, those type of animals, but don't really think about the animals that we eat
Yeah.
and what happens to them. So standard legal slaughterhouse practice, they're shot in the head, their throats are sliced, and they're chopped into pieces.
Sitting here eating, so I don't really want to go into
Yeah,
I don't have time to do it now. I have to worry about my customers.
Yeah.
But appreciate what you're doing anyway.
yeah. Okay. Well, thanks anyway, man. Cheers.